Hello everyone, Melissa from Fork and Plants here, and I recently got my New Hope blogger box. I get I think 3 to 4 of these per year. Just got the August one, and I wanted to share with you everything that I got in it. So let's unbox this bad boy together. So when I get it, it has a sheet on top that tells you everything that's in it. This cute little tissue paper, which I reuse these because no sense in throwing out something that is still perfectly useful. First thing we got on top here is AntiV Formula from Natural Factors. It is a supplement. It looks like this is an immune supporter with a lot of really good key ingredients in there. Their proprietary blend of echinacea, which is economide, I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly, reishi mushroom, which we know is amazing, astragalus, licorice, and some other things. We also have these sweet crisps. It sounds like they're mostly broken, but these are vegan. They contain wheat. Yeah, I'll probably let my boyfriend eat these. I will not eat those because I do not eat wheat or gluten. What else? We have hemp fusion, some hemp fusion supplements. So this one is stress support. It has CBD, terpenes, omegas, and ashwagandha, all really good things. And then the sleep one is CBD, terpenes, omegas, and GABA. I used to take GABA for sleep many years ago. I haven't taken it in a long time. But anyways, the energy one, CBD, terpenes, omegas, and guayusa, ginger, and ginseng. So I've never tried these before. If you've tried them, let me know how they are. But I really like CBD, so I'll definitely try them. We have Iconic Protein Drink. This is not vegan. Not everything in this box is vegan. I've unboxed many of them. You probably know that by now. But I always give them to someone who is not vegan so they don't go to waste. Another thing that's not vegan, a collagen maximizer. My grandma will really like that, so I'll give that to her. And then we have this Probulin probiotic skincare, it looks like. We have a day cream. Let's see what else is in here. We have a day cream, a facial cleansing gel, an eye cream, a night cream, and a facial serum, all with probiotics in it, I guess. I've never heard of this brand. Supports skin conditioning, healthier looking skin, moisturization, improved skin texture. It has jojoba in it, aloe vera, looks like some citrus and fruit extracts. It looks pretty good. It doesn't say if it's cruelty free or vegan, so I'll have to check that out. But just looking at it quickly, it looks pretty good. So I'll have to look into that a little bit more. Another thing in here, B&U Propolis Raw Honey Throat Spray. Oh, you guys see it better there. There's a whole pamphlet here about this. We have Human Super Beets, just some non-GMO beet powder, black cherry flavor, malic acid, magnesium ascorbate, stevia. Yeah, I don't know, just some black cherry flavored beet crystals, I guess. What else? Ooh, okay, this stuff looks so good. So we have a vegan queso, this cute little jar. I will definitely be reusing this jar. So it is woman owned. It's called Zuby's. Small batch, organic, big flavor. Shake me, I'm organic, okay. Yeah, made in Texas in a zero waste facility. They use solar power energy and well water. The ingredients are super legit, all organic. And same thing, Zuby's. This is a crema. So we have that. You can see it's separated. You definitely need to shake it. That's how you know your food is real. So this one is jalapeno, with some organic safflower oil, and then just some spices. So a jalapeno crema, I guess. This looks so good. I can't wait to try it. And then the last thing is Zuby's salsa. So what's in here? Tomato. This one is not organic. The other two were, this one is not. But tomato, and then just some spices, some hot sauce, jalapenos, some other vegetables. Looks so good. And these jars are so freaking cute. Oh my goodness. And I think that's everything in this box. It's a very large box, but not a lot of stuff in it this time. If you've used any of these products, please leave me a comment and let me know. I would love to know your thoughts. And as I use this stuff, obviously the vegan stuff, the skincare, anything like that, I'll definitely post on my Instagram stories as I use it, let you know what I think. And yeah, thanks so much for joining me. I hope that you discovered something new today, and I will see you guys next time. Have a good day.